Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a world that glorifies instant gratification and immediate results, patience feels like a lost virtue. Yet, for the believer, patience is not passive waiting. It is an active, powerful state of being. It is strength under pressure, dignity in adversity, and conviction when all else wavers. It is the art of responding with excellence when every part of you is tempted to fall apart, trusting that each moment of steadfastness draws you closer to the eternal reward of Allah. Today, inshallah, we'll be discussing the mindset of patience, the mindset of sabr, derived from the verse of the Quran Kareem, وَالَّذِينَ صَبَرُوا ابْتِغَاءَ وَجْهِ رَبِّهِمْ وَأَقَامُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَأَنفَقُوا مِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ سِرًّا وَعَلَانِيَةً وَيَدْرَؤُونَ بِالْحَسَنَةِ السَّيِّئَةَ أُولَئِكَ لَهُمْ عُقْبَى الدَّارِ. And those who are patient, seeking the countenance of their Lord, and establish prayer, and spend from what we have provided them secretly and publicly, and repel evil with good, these will have the ultimate abode. Sabr is not inaction. It is not silent suffering. It is the conscious choice to trust Allah when understanding fails, when answers are delayed, when the heart aches and the soul is tired. It is responding with calm and dignity in the storm, fueled by the certainty that Allah sees, Allah knows, and Allah will respond in perfect measure. Surah Ankabut revealed in the depths of persecution of the believers called the Muslims to hold firm, not to merely endure, but to stand with unwavering faith, because sabr refines the soul and transforms hardship into elevation. It is not weakness, it is the purest form of strength. It is remaining steadfast in faith when doubt whispers loudly. It is continuing obedience when the soul resists. It is responding with grace when harmed or provoked. True sabr demands presence of mind, clarity of heart, and trust in divine wisdom, especially when none of these come easily. The believer's patience is not resignation, it is confidence in Allah's promise. It is belief in the unseen, in the goodness of what is delayed, and in the reward far greater than what is lost. Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahumullah defines sabr as the interplay of three forces within the soul. Number one, patience in obedience, remaining constant in worship when distractions, fatigue, and excuses pile up, to pray with focus when the mind is elsewhere, to give when the heart clings to comfort. This is sabr. Number two, patience against sin, the restraint to turn away when desire calls powerfully, the courage to resist when no one else is watching, the silent struggle, invisible to the world, is honored by Allah. Number three, patience in hardship, the greatest trial, holding firm in tests, enduring pain without bitterness, trusting that relief will come. And when it does not come in this life, to know it will arrive multiplied in the next. This triad shapes a soul that stands tall while the world shakes around it. The Messenger of Allah said in a narration of Sahih al-Bukhari, وَمَا أُعْطِيَ أَحَدٌ عَطَاءً خَيْرًا وَأَوْسَعَ مِنَ الصَّبْرِ. No one has been given a gift better and more expensive than sabr. The Messenger of Allah called it a gift, not a burden, not a test, a gift. Because sabr elevates the believer to a station that wealth and status never will. It transforms pain into purification, trial into spiritual ascent. It teaches the heart how to bend without breaking, how to weep without despair, how to wait with dignity. Consider Bilal ibn Rabah radiallahu anh, enduring brutality beneath the scorching sun, crushed by boulders placed on his chest, demanded to recant his faith. His tormentors broke his body, but could not touch his soul. His lips whispered only, Ahadun Ahad, Ahadun Ahad, He is one, He is one. That refrain was not weakness, it was defiance. It was strength that outlived his oppressors. Allah elevated him from slavery to honor, the first mu'adhin of Islam, his voice still calling hearts to prayer centuries later. His patience was not mere survival, it was a legacy. It was a reminder that sabr does not chain you, it frees you. It lifts you above pain, above fear, and binds you only to Allah. We live in an age of impatience. The smallest delay breeds frustration. Hardship tempts us to despair. But sabr is exactly what our restless hearts need. It grounds us when life unravels. It steadies us when outcomes remain unseen. It slows us down so we can listen, reflect, and trust in divine timing. Sabr transforms waiting into worship. It transforms pain into closeness with Allah. It whispers, this is not forever, but your response to this moment, to this challenge, and to this trial will echo in eternity. Patience is not simply enduring, it is about enduring well, with grace, with trust, with unwavering conviction that every tear is counted, every struggle witnessed, and every act of restraint recorded. Do not merely wait, wait with certainty. Do not merely endure, endure with beauty. Do not merely hope, trust with your whole heart. Because beyond sabr is relief, and beyond relief is reward. And beyond that reward is closeness to Allah Himself, a closeness worth every moment of hardship. Remain patient. The destination is worth the struggle. And what Allah has prepared beyond sabr will make you forget the pain of every step. May Allah make us from amongst the sabirin.